Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. My name is Muhammad Farizwan. I'm from UiTM Kampus Tapah. I'm in the program AC110 and 1L group. Today we are going to talk about annuity and trade and cash discount. Before that, I'm going to introduce our group member. First is Muhammad Akmal Hakim bin Rosdin. Second is myself, Muhammad Farizwan bin Muhammad Sobri, and the third group member is Muhammad Imi Zaini. Before we start, I would like to thank the group members for the cooperation to finish this slide. Without further ado, let's start. What is annuity? Annuity is a continuous stream of equal periodic payment from one party to another for a specific period of time to fulfill a financial obligation. This is the term that have to use in annuity. R is for the periodic payment, K for the rate of interest, M for the number of time interest compounded monthly. This can change to annually, quarterly or etc. Next, I equals to K over M for the rate of interest for each interest period. S for the sum of annuity with an interest period, and the last one is A for the present value with an interest period. Question: Faris bought a MyV and paid down payment of 45,000. Then he took a loan that charged interest of 4% compounded monthly. Then Faris reimbursed the loan in 20 years time with monthly payment of 1,050 ringgit. The first question is to find the cash price of the car. The second question is to find the total interest charge, and the third question is to find the outstanding balance if Faris decided to settle the loan immediately after the 200th payment. Before we start solving, we should write down the information that the question gave. First, we know R, which is the monthly payment, is 1,050. K is 4%, which is the interest rate. M is 12, which is the number of time interest is compounded. T is 20 for the time duration, and the last one is N. We can get N when we times M with T, which is 12 times 20 equals to 240. Now we can start solving the question. For this question, we can use the present value formula. First, we have to add information given in the formula. After solve the equation, you will get 173,272.95. Then add the answer with down payment, which is 45,000, and we can get the answer. The cash price of the car is 218,272.95. Next, for the second question, we have to find the total interest charge. In this question, we can use the interest charge formula that you can see on the screen. First, we have to time the N with the R, which is 240 times 1,050. After that, you subtract with 173,272.95, which is the A, and we get 78,727.05 for the total interest charge. And for the last question, we have to find the outstanding balance if Faris decided to settle the loan immediately after the 200 payment. For this question, we can use the present value formula again, but unlike the first question, after adding information to the formula, you have to subtract the N with 200, which is 240 minus 200. With that, we can get the outstanding balance, which is 39,259.27.
And now let's move on to trade and cash discount. Trade discount is the amount of discount that retailers receive of the list price, and cash discount is deductions allowed by some sellers to motivate customers to pay their bills within a specific time. There are three formulas for this chapter. First, list price minus with net price, and we will get trade discount. The second formula is net price, and P equal to L times in bracket 1 minus R. L is list price and R is the trade discount. Another formula is net price if chain discount, and P equal to in bracket 1 minus R1 times in bracket 1 minus R2 times in bracket 1 minus R3, and so on. Cash discount 2%, means 2% if payment made in 10 days. Now let's go to the question. Aceh Laptop Sdn Bhd ordered 25 unit of laptop computers and received an invoice date 10 August 2022 for 75,000, including transportation cost, with trade discount terms 5 per 15 and 30. The transportation cost was 1,550 ringgit. First question is find the last date to receive the cash discount. Second question is find the total payment if Aceh Laptop Sdn Bhd paid the invoice on 22 August 2022. For the third question, find the amount of trade discount and cash discount received. First, we need to list down important things such as list price, which is 75,000. After that, we need to find rate 1 and rate 2. To find rate 1, we need to calculate 10 divided by 100 and the answer is 0.1. And same goes to rate 2. We need to calculate 6 divided by 100 and get 0.6. For the first question, we need to plus 10 August with 15 days. Because the question has been stated that cash discount terms 5 per 15 net 30. And the answer is 25 August 2022. As for the second question, the formula to find net price is NP equal to L times in bracket 1 minus R1 times in bracket 1 minus R2. So the solution is 75,000 times with in bracket 1 minus 0.1 and in bracket 1 minus 0.06. And the answer for the net price is 63,450. After that, we times the 63,450 with discount terms, which is 5%. So 63,450 times 1 minus 0.05, and the answer is 60,277.50 cents. After that, we need to plus 60,277.50 cents with transportation cost, which is 1,550 to get the total payment that has been paid by Aceh Laptop. So the answer is 61,857.50 cents. For the third question, to get the amount of trade discount received, we need to minus 75,000 with 63,450, and the answer will be 11,550. For the amount of cash discount received, we need to minus 63,450 with 61,857.50 cents, and the amount of cash discount is 1,592.50 cents.